Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, how are you doing today? I've got an update for you about the man, the guy that is traveling from London through his bike from London to Africa here in Nigeria, Lagos. I've got an update for you. I remember the last time, if you could recall, the last time I spoke about him, I said he's in Morocco. And right now, the man had an encounter with police, with stout, and the custom. You are saying which custom? It's not Nigeria, relax. It's not Nigeria, it's in Africa though. The Nigerian man that is traveling from London to Africa, Nigeria, right now, the man said police and tout and custom in Mauritania extorted 124,000 naira from him when he wanted to cross a big river with his bike and enter Senegal. So he's everywhere. Relax, it's not only Nigeria. He said he refused to pay the money in the first place. He said he refused to pay and they wanted to seize his bike. So he had no option and he finally had to pay the money, the sum of 124,000 naira for the 5 minutes boat crossing against his wish. So he shared a video of himself crossing the big river in a boat with his bike. Oh, we say sorry, this is Africa. Welcome to Africa. Now let me give you reactions of people concerning this development. You need to see people reaction. Let me tell you this about Queen Choice Isaac. She said, "Welcome to Africa." This is the beginning of giving without choice. And one yesterday Ogudare says, "Uncle Kule, God will see you through. I still dey mountain." Mountain. Doing what? Praying for you for safe journey. Okay. We join you in your prayer. We say you will arrive safely. And he said it will end in praise. Amen. And another person called School Word Bamikale, he said something that is touching. He said nothing about the foreigners treated him on his way. Is in Africa, he have to put us on the internet. Am I the only one seeing things in this view? Ask him. I don't know. Johnny, okay. We join you in your prayer. We say you will arrive safely. And he said it will end in praise. Amen. And another person called School Word Bamikale, he said something that is touching. He said nothing about the foreigners treated him on his way. Is in Africa, he have to put us on the internet. Am I the only one seeing things in this view? Ask him. I don't know. They have succeeded in casting us to the world. Try and take the route back to where it's coming from. You will not believe what he's saying. He have to be paying from each and every town he enters, cause he won't tell me he has all he needed papers. He has all the needed papers of the town and countries he follows. I am not convinced. That's it, right? So many reactions on the about this development. It's there. You see it. In fact, we just pray. Uncle Kule Adeyanju, please, we are waiting for you in Nigeria. We pray that God will grant you safe trip down to Nigeria, Lagos. We are waiting for you. Yes, thumbs up. May God be with you.